In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the required footer content of a newsletter in Mailchimp. Editing the default footer in Mailchimp can be a bit tricky, as the platform requires certain information to comply with anti-spam laws. However, there's still room for customization, allowing you to tweak and tailor it to better fit your brand. So let's dive in and see how to make these adjustments. First, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, we'll move to the next step. In the Mailchimp dashboard, you'll see a sidebar. Go ahead and click on Campaigns, which will lead you to a list of all your ongoing and past campaigns. Now you can either choose a campaign that you'd like to edit or opt to create a new campaign altogether. If you're making a new one, simply follow the prompts until you reach the design phase. Once you have the email open that you want to work on, scroll all the way down to the bottom where the footer is located. At the bottom of your email, you'll find the footer block. Click on it. It might be labeled as Edit Contact Info or Unsubscribe. This area is fully editable, giving you the opportunity to modify various elements. You can change the design, adjust the font, and switch up the colors to ensure everything aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Next, it's time to focus on updating the required footer content. Remember, there are key elements that need to be included to remain compliant with anti-spam laws, such as CAN spam. For compliance and legal requirements, the footer must include your company's name and a physical address. This informs recipients of exactly who is contacting them. Additionally, the unsubscribe link is crucial, and thankfully, Mailchimp includes this automatically with a merge tag like unsub wow. Also essential is the update preferences link, typically displayed using update profile. See? Customizing the footer text can certainly help with the branding and personalization of your emails, but make sure not to remove these critical links as they're essential to your campaign's legitimacy and compliance. Once you're satisfied with your changes, it's important to save and preview them. This step ensures that everything looks just right and functions properly before sending it out to your subscribers. Take a moment to double check all the links and content, as well as the overall appearance to ensure it meets your expectations. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully updated the required footer content of your newsletter in Mailchimp. By adhering to compliance requirements while customizing the look, you're well on your way to delivering professional and compliant newsletters every time. Happy emailing.